What are we doing, mate?
Deep fried ice cream, mate.
What on earth has that got to do with Northumberland?
Quite a lot, because we have a massive Italian community in the northeast and in Northumberland particularly, because everybody in the big houses in Northumberland with the big industrialists, and they've got a load of Italians over to make their beautiful plasterworks in that big country houses, you see.
I do remember you used to take me to the ice cream shop in Whitley Bay.
There you go.
It was superb.
It's superb. So there is a tradition of ice cream making in Northumberland, and this is why I thought deep fried ice cream.
Well, I'm working under instruction. In this bowl, I have crushed ginger nuts and desiccated coconut. I suppose this is your crumbs for your frying, is it?
This is it. The most important thing is about deep fried ice cream is your ice cream balls need to be as tight as possible because, you know, we're going to deep fry them.
They've got to be super cold, haven't they?
Super cold. And we're going to put them back into the freezer.
You want them rock-like, don't you?
Yeah.
I've got 2 eggs and I'm going to stir in some coconut cream. So I can see we've got the Caribbean vibe coming on with the rum, the coconut. Yeah. I'm beginning to like this, Mr. King.
You see, I mean, I know it sounds a bit bonkers, but it's not. Do you know what as well, mate? I just thought it's a nice wintry recipe for ice cream. Do you know what I mean? Because it's deep fried and warm on the outside.
Well, it is, and most of us have got freezers. And actually, to be fair, most of the time in my freezer, I have to wait for the ice cream to thaw before I eat it.
Yes.
Should I put the raisins on, Si?
Would you mind?
No. So the raisins go into a pan. How much rum would you like in there?
About 150 ml, mate, please.
Whoa.
Well, you know what we're like up in the north, dude. We don't do anything light. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right, I'm going to put these
So
in
the freezer?
Yeah, I've got to put them back in the freezer.
Don't be long.
I won't.
Now, he said to put a teaspoon of cinnamon. As soon as it comes to a simmer, I'm going to grate the zest of a lime. Kingy!
I'm coming!
I don't want this to catch light, because if it does, we'll take the kitchen out. So I've got the cinnamon, the rum and the raisins.
Perfect, mate, perfect. Right, now...
Oh, wow.
Well, I did some earlier, you see.
Yeah, they've changed character, haven't they?
They have.
Right, we better be quick.
We'll do. So, into here first, and just scrunch it a little bit so you get a nice coating.
Now I've got me eggs and me coconut cream.
Yep.
It's back... No, it's back to you, isn't it?
Yeah. And you cover it, again, in the ginger nut and coconut mixture.
And you have to work quick. So obviously that's one of the fundamental things with ice cream, its propensity to melt. I'm getting it though, Kingy.
Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yep. I think those ice cream balls need to go back in there for a couple of hours to firm up. Right, I'll bash on with this, but don't linger. I know you. Once you go up there, that's it. I never see you again. I mean, this is possibly the ultimate grown-up rum and raisin ice cream sauce, where it is. Now, we turn the heat off, and I want the zest of a lime. This needs to go cold, and whilst the ice cream's getting harder, this will be macerating that lovely lime, cinnamon, raisins and rum, and those raisins are going to plump up. It'll be absolutely amazing. Do you know, I'm beginning to like this recipe, you know, but it's very odd being here on my own. Right, now we haven't finished with the sauce yet.
We're going to make a caramel sugar. Do you know how we've always told you not to stir caramel? Well, this is a little bit different. So we're taking 100 ml of water and we're going to just stir it until it looks like wet sand. So, like that. And then we'll turn it up and let it turn into caramel. Now, at this point, we definitely do not want to stir it. Well, that's going. You can see the bubbles now.
Yeah.
Dave's just swirling it around.
We don't want it to go to toffee, do we? Just caramel. That's it, Kingy. Look, it smells of caramel now. We don't want it to go any more, so let's get that cream in.
Now, bear in mind, when you put the cream in, it is going to split and splatter.
Look at that. And this is very hot.
Ready?
Yep. Now, this is what you call a rum and raisin sauce. Now, we will have to wait for this to go cold before we put it on the ice cream.
Yes.
Now, that is a rum and raisin sauce of some calibre.
And as it cools, it'll thicken.
this is nice. The nice thing is, I think we should serve this sauce warm, but just warm, just tepid.
Yeah, nice, nice. Here we are, mate. So these have been in the freezer again.
Oh, they're like rock. That's what you want.
That's what you want. The oil is preheated to 190 degrees, and we're going to drop the 3 balls in at the same time and cook them for 15 seconds. Take them out, set them aside.
Right.
You ready? You're counting?
I'm counting now. 5 seconds. That's the 15. Oh, yes. Golden and crispy. A 3-ball scoop of magnificence, Si.
Shall we spoon some of this over?
Oh, yeah. Oh, heavy on the raisins.
How's that?
I just can't wait to taste it.
Right, let's do it.
Remember, the outside of the ice cream is crispy and red hot, yeah? And the inside is frozen solid. The coconut's toasted. Ice cream's fabulous.
Sauce is immense.
Kingy, I'm not really an ice cream man. This is the best ice cream dessert I've ever tasted.
Well, it's always a joint effort.